start now. I know many of us have YouTube channel, or many of us are content creators, and we did not turn on two authentication on our Gmail to protect our YouTube channel. And making our channel risky, and it's making it open to hackers. And you feel my channel is safe now? Don't worry. You what? You will learn the hard way. I got to a very dark man who say what? You will learn the hard way. See this video.
Alright, my people, don't play. Don't play,
Abuja. You know the vibe. When I got these good lawyers around me, everybody's gonna learn, and they're gonna learn the hard way.
You know what I'm saying, brother?
So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to enable two-step authentication on your Gmail to protect your YouTube channel. So let's go. So first, how do you enable two-step verification for your Gmail to protect your YouTube channel? Yes. So the hacker will not have access to it, because when you open your Gmail application, if it's very open, hackers will hack it. So first, go to your Gmail application if you have. And if you don't have, head over to Play Store, search for Gmail application and what? Download it. That's for iPhone user, because I know iPhone user does not come with Gmail application. So you download it there. Yes. Click on the profile picture after I've downloaded the login. I hope you are just seeing it. Pick manage Google account. Then it's load. It can be fast at times and it can be slow at times, depending on your network. You will see home, personal info, data and privacy, security, people and sharing. I hope you are seeing where I'm sharing the chat. You are seeing what I'm reading. So click on security. Then you will see what? Two-step verification. Mine is currently off because of what? Of the tutorial I'm currently showing. That's why I off it. So wait. Yes. We click on it and it will load. We wait for like maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. It all depends on your network. Sometimes it can be very fast. You may not even need to. You may just immediately click on it. You can just pay on. That's it. Depending on your network. But if your network is good, man, to go fast. And to what? It will ask you to add your phone number to verify it. So do what? You add your phone number. And do what? When you add your phone number, you select your country code. Me, I'm from Nigeria, and so I'll put +234. Hello, tell me. That's it. I beg man not to sing, because I love this kind of song. You start from +234 because I'm from Nigeria. Then they will send you code and you verify it. Then what? You add the code they sent to your number. Then you turn it on. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to what? Subscribe, like this video, and what? Turn on your notification bell for this video, so that what? You won't miss my next video. So what will I say? Thank you for staying true. See you in my next video. Yeah, good vibes. Bye bye. Exhausted.